Hello. So this application called restriction of journals for users will allow you to restrict particular journals for the users, so they cannot see those journals, they cannot access those journals, and while they're creating payment or anything as such, if particular journal is not allowed for them to see, they won't be able to make any payments or register any payments using those journals as well. So let's see how that works. First we need to go to settings and we will give users the access rights. So we'll go to the users. Now if I go to Mitchell, I have two options over here. I have access rights for restricting the journal, and I have another option over here called restrict journal feature. So Mitchell has the rights that he can restrict journals to other users. So now let's say I go to some other user called Mark, and here I enable this option, like I will restrict journal feature for this particular user, and I will save this. Now if I go above, here I have the option to add the journals. Only those particular journals that are added over here will be visible to Mark. So now let's go to Mark's account and see how it looks. So I'll just log in as Mark, and we will go to accounting from here. I will go to journals, and here you can see Mark can only see customer invoices and vendor bills, because those were the only two journals to which we gave them access. So if I open any one of them, I'll be also able to see the user, the particular user who can see this journal. You can see their name. If you have multiple users, you can see multiple names over here. Now even if I try to make any payment via invoice or maybe directly via the payments, I won't be able to do so. So let's say I'm creating a new payment, and I will add a product, and I will confirm this, and I will try to register the payment. So while I'm registering the payment, we usually choose the cash journal or the bank journal, but as Mark does not have access to those journals, there will be no records visible for that particular journal to Mark. So this is how the application works. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below, and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.